We have two sorters, a heavy duty that handles 77 pounds per tray, live load. We have the smaller unit, which we call light duty. It can handle 22 pounds of live load.
What's special about it is it's simple, really. It's easy to maintain. It doesn't require computers at every divert.
It's very versatile on sorting anything from boxes of clothes to microwave ovens. Each sorter has its unique pitch and length, so each tray is designed based on what size sorter we're building at the time. They can disassemble very fast to move curves and to lengthen the sorter for an upgrade, to add shipping doors. The chain is articulating and can go around horizontal bends, both directions, and vertical bends. It all depends on what is needed in the customer's building. Throughput is based also on the customer's needs. Just for instance, a large tilt tray at 625 millimeter pitch, that would yield about 23,040 trays per hour. And then the smaller unit would handle 22,000 trays per hour.
It's really ideal for e-com. We've used it a lot for direct-to-consumer shipments, sorting polybags, envelopes, to gaylords and mail bags, mail sacks.
To me, it's a complex parts and componentry, but in the end, it looks very simple and it's very simple for the customer to utilize.
From a control standpoint, all of our field devices are commercially available. How does it run? It runs with a worm drive, which makes it extremely simple, extremely robust, but also very straightforward for the maintenance people to maintain.
What we advertise is our chain. We recommend replacing it in roughly 80,000 hours. We have a customer still running the original equipment that was installed in 2001. They're due to replace their chain now. They should have already, but they haven't, and it's still running beautifully on site. We've had the sorter since the 80s, but we've been building it ourselves since 2009.
Start with the track. It's fabricated from steel, welded together in sections, but bolted together in the field. The drive is a worm drive, so it's machined from really just a large chunk of metal. It has never worn out. And then the trays themselves are fabricated from wood.
It's a laminated birch plywood tray, which either 3 or 4 layers of 3 millimeter plywood, and then we shape it with a template. We also incorporated a finish to it. It's a marine grade resin, wears like iron, and we still have original trays, 20 years old, still running on the original install. All the steel components are made in Pacoima manufacturing plant. We have extrusion pressed in Tennessee. The castings are made in Pennsylvania. A lot of the screw machine parts are also made in the USA. These tilt trays have been like my children. It means a lot to me to, I'd like to say, make it as perfect as I can.